These types of animation videos are going viral on the internet, especially on YouTube and TikTok. A faceless YouTube channel has gained over 11 million subscribers just by uploading similar animation videos, and they also have almost 10 million followers on TikTok with the same type of content. It's clear they are making thousands of dollars either through YouTube AdSense, the TikTok creativity program, or even paid sponsorships. I'm sure many of you have come across these videos at least once. Since only a few creators are in this niche, there's not much competition. You'll be amazed when you see their video views. All their videos are getting millions of views, for example, 124 million, 123 million, 114 million, and even more, which is incredible. These videos get tons of views because once people start watching, it's hard to stop. So if you can create similar videos, you'll definitely go viral and start making money. They are using advanced paid animation software to create different animations, which isn't possible for most of you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an animation video easily using only a free AI tool like this one.
Remember what we say about women, Gregory?
Ooh, I know.
If she seems kind of mad and her patience is slippin',
Just walk away, 'cause women be trippin'.
that's right, Gregory.
Oh god, I think Freddy's toxic.
Now, let's take a look at some videos in this niche. Actually, not right now. Watch the video I created using a free AI tool in just a few minutes.
You know, I've been thinking about joining that cooking class downtown.
Cooking glass? Dude, that's crazy dangerous. Why would you want to cook glass?
No, not glass. Cooking class. Like learning to cook food, not
To create similar videos for free, we're going to follow 4 simple steps. First, go to a website called Adobe Express. I'll put the link in the video description. Once you're there, click on the plus icon, select Quick Action, and find the option called Animate from Audio. Just click on that, and it will take you to the next page. This AI tool is completely free, with no limitations, so you can make as many videos as you want. You'll see a variety of pre-made characters available for your video. You can pick from some really cool options. For example, let's choose this sticky character. From here, you can change everything, adjust the position, make it bigger or smaller, and more. Hey, this looks good, but the background needs to be changed. To do that, go here and click on background. You'll see a lot of pre-made cartoon-style backgrounds that we can use for the video. You can try them all to see which one fits your character best. For example, I'm going to use this simple one. Alright, now it looks good. Next, we need to change the aspect ratio. To do this, go here and click on size. You'll find different aspect ratios for all the social media platforms. Since we're making a YouTube short video, I'll click on YouTube and choose the 9:16 ratio. Okay, so we have done all the settings. Step 2 is to create the script in VoiceOver. If you look at any of the sticky animation videos, you will notice that they convey a message in a funny way. That's why their videos are going viral. So I recommend spending some time on script writing. Don't use a boring AI-generated script, because these videos go viral due to their funny scripts, not just the animation. If you want to use ChatGPT generate an engaging script, make sure to describe exactly what you want. For example, write a short script featuring a funny conversation between 2 people. One person continuously misinterprets the other's words, leading to humorous misunderstandings. The tone should be lighthearted and playful, with the second person eventually either giving up or playing along with the confusion. You can see the result. The script is very engaging and funny. You can pause the video to read the script. To get a human-like script, you have to clearly describe everything you want in your video. After that, you need to record the script. If you have a cool voice, you can use your own voice. I'm going to use this AI tool called 11 Labs to record the script. This AI tool is not completely free, but with a free account, you get 10,000 credits per month, which is enough to get started. Once you sign in, you will see this page. In this box, we need to type our script. I am going to copy the script part by part from ChatGPT and paste it here in this box. Don't use the entire script at once. Divide your script into different parts and generate different audio files. This will help you create the animation more easily. If you click here, you will find lots of pre-made voices that you can use in your video. You can test all the voices by clicking on this small icon. For sticky animation videos, I recommend using a childish voice actor. If you click here, it will generate the voiceover for the script. Now you can easily download the voiceover by clicking here. In the same way, you need to generate a voiceover for all the conversation lines and save them to your device. Don't forget to organize all the files in a folder with names so you won't forget the sequence. Step 3 is to use the voiceover to generate animated videos. So let's go back to Adobe Express Animation. Now click here to import your first voiceover. Select the voiceover file and click Open. Adobe Express will automatically start animating your character with lip sync. It will take some time, mainly depending on the length of the audio clip. Let's fast forward this part, and here is the result.
I've been thinking about joining that cooking class downtown.
Now, click on the download button here to save the animation clip. Once the first animation is done, click the back button. Now, I will create an animation with the second audio clip. To do that, click on the Place Audio button, then click on the Browse button and upload the second audio clip. Once the second animation has been generated successfully, download the animation to your device. Follow the same process to create animation clips for all the audio clips and save them to your device. Right, all of our animation clips are ready. Step 4 is to combine all the animation videos. To do that, I'm going to use the CapCut app because it's free and available on all devices. Now import all the videos from your device and drag them to the timeline. Now, if you want to add some transitions to your video, you can do that easily from here. Now, if I play the video, you will see there are some pauses. To make the video more engaging, we need to remove all the pauses. You can easily do that using this tool, like this. Now, let's review the video. Alright, this looks good. To make the video even more engaging, we need to add subtitles. Subtitles can boost your video views by up to 20%. Adding subtitles is super easy in CapCut. Just go here, select captions, and hit generate. It will take a few seconds to process. Now, our subtitles are ready, but they're not visible because they're white, so we need to change the color. I'll choose black to make them stand out. Okay, now they're visible. Next, I'll adjust the position and move it to the top. You can customize everything, including the font, to fit your style.
Glass downtown.
Cooking glass? Dude, that's crazy dangerous. Why would you want to cook glass?
No, not glass. Cooking class, like learning to cook food, not turn into some kind of glass chef.
Now I'm going to add background music that I downloaded from Tuna Tank Sound. I'll include the link in the video description. The volume is a bit too high, so let's lower it to around 20 or 23. Alright, our video is almost ready. To export the video, just go here, click on Export, and then click Export again.
I've been thinking about joining that cooking class downtown.
Cooking glass? Dude, that's crazy dangerous. Why would you want to cook glass?
No, not glass. Cooking class, like learning to cook food, not turn into some kind of glass chef.
Oh, that makes way more sense. For a second, I thought you were about to join a weird, glass eating competition or something.
Yeah, no thanks. I'm just trying to learn how to make lasagna without burning down the kitchen.
You're making laser lasagna? Is that futuristic food? Do you need goggles for that?
No, Ryan. Lasagna, the pasta, not lasers. Although laser lasagna does sound awesome.
I'd eat laser lasagna. Sounds fast. You zap it and boom, dinner's ready.
Yeah, maybe in the future. For now, it's just regular oven lasagna. No lasers involved.
Still sounds risky. If you burn it, you could accidentally start a fire lasagna. I'd stick to sandwiches, man. Low chance of setting the kitchen on fire.
True. Sandwiches are way safer. But hey, if I survive the lasagna, I'll make you some. No lasers, I promise.
I'll wear a fireproof suit just in case. Can't trust that lasagna, man.
I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. You can also check out this other video to learn about a new niche.